Hello everyone, this is Ms. Gutsell speaking. In this video, we are going to examine Insert Feature Number 9, Header and Page Number for the Google Docs series. With that being said, let's begin. When I click on Insert and hover over Header and Page Number, the following options appear. I can choose to insert a header or a footer. I can also choose to insert a page number within my Google Doc. I have a few options when inserting a page number. I can have the page number inserted within my header, or I can have it inserted in my header on the second page in the Google Doc. This situation would be useful when I needed a title page. I could also insert the page number in my footer, where it would be a page number on each page of the Google Doc. Alternatively, I could insert a page number after a title page within my footer as well. As such, I recommend when considering adding in a header or footer into a Google Doc, starting with the page number section. That way, once the page numbers are inserted, any part of the header or footer can be edited to include more text, and it reduces the amount of time struggling to insert a page number after the fact. So I'm going to insert the page number into my header by clicking on this option. As can be seen, I now have the page number in my header in my Google Doc. I can then add in any text I might need, and I can adjust this text as I move forward within my Google Doc as well. I can choose to create a different first page, which could be a title page within my Google Doc, by clicking on this option here. I also have the ability to click on the Options button, and when I do so, I can change the margins of my header and footer, which could be useful depending upon the requirements for your document. So, I'm going to now insert a footer so that you can see what it looks like when there is a footer at the bottom of a Google Doc without the page numbers. When I click on the option, I am taken to the bottom of the page, and I can now insert my sample footer. If I need to go back to edit my header, all I have to do is click outside of the footer, go back to the top of the page, and click into the header section. This same situation applies to any edits that might be needed for the footer. Finally, the last aspect of the header and page number is the page count. When I click on this option, a number will appear where my cursor is on the Google Doc. This number shows the number of pages within my Google Doc. As more pages are added, I will see this number increase. This can be a very useful piece of information for a long Google Doc with multiple pages or alternatively sheets. If I don't want this information on my Google Doc, all I have to do is remove it by deleting it or backspacing. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helped you grow in your knowledge of technology.